Next week, it's Thanksgiving. You guys ready for this? I'm ready. All right, so next week, Thanksgiving, I've decided to have a workshop for all of you guys and ladies. It's called Uncovering Your Purpose, a very valuable workshop. I'd love you to attend. It's Monday, November 21st, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And this will be just a 1 hour full of fun, entertainment, education, and possibility. And I think you'll be glad you stopped by to check this out. And for all my brothers and sisters throughout the world, especially in the UK and Europe, we will have a recording of this so you guys can check it out the next day or the day after that, depending on how quickly I can figure out how to do that. But it's going to be exciting and fun. So I highly recommend you tune in. The link is down below to attend. You have to sign up, of course. It is limited seating, but we'll squeeze you in. And there's a rumor going around that English Bob may be stopping by to weigh in on this. I'm excited for that. So look forward to seeing you then. I'll have a seat warmer for you, and we're going to have some fun and learn some things about ourselves. I'll catch you. Don't forget me, and happy Thanksgiving.